Hello friends, today we are going to learn English workshop of unit number 3.4. Let's march from standard 10th English. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 3.4 लेट्स मार्च या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासणार आहोत. चला तर मित्रांनो, आपल्या आजच्या सेशनला सुरुवात करूयात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, नेम द फॉलोइंग. खालील नावे द्या. A. The persons to whom Kailash Satyarthi gives the highest credit of his honor. Answer: Kalu Kumar, Dhum Das, Adarsh Kishore from India and Iqbal Masih from Pakistan. Question B. The greatest personalities from the land of Buddha. Answer: Guru Nanak and Mahatma Gandhi. Question C. The daughters of Kailash Satyarthi mentioned in his speech. Answer: Malala, Kainat and Shazia. Question D. The foreign activists of equal rights mentioned in the speech. Answer: Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King. Next question. Question number 2. Mention the social issues highlighted by Kailash Satyarthi in his speech. कैलाश सत्यार्थी यांनी त्यांच्या भाषणात अधोरेखित केलेल्या सामाजिक समस्यांचा उल्लेख करा. One social issue is given for you. खाली तुमच्यासाठी एक सामाजिक समस्या दिलेली आहे. Answer: A. Child labor, B. Slavery, C. Trafficking, D. Child marriages, E. Sexual abuse, and F. Illiteracy. Next question. Question number 3. Complete the following diagram or chart. खालील आकृती पूर्ण करा. The aim in life of Kailash Satyarthi is that every child is free to be a child, to grow and develop, to eat, sleep and see daylight, to laugh and cry, to play and learn, to go to school and to dream. Next question. Question number 4. Complete the following web chart. खालील वेब आकृती पूर्ण करा. Question. An appeal of Kailash Satyarthi. Answer: Let us march from darkness to light. Let us march from morality to divinity. Let us march from ignorance to awakening. Let us globalize compassion. Let us universalize justice. And let us democratize knowledge. Question number 5. Find out the describing words used for the following nouns and make your own sentences by using any 3 combinations. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेल्या नामांसाठी वापरलेले वर्णन करणारे शब्द शोधा आणि त्यातील कोणतेही 3 संयोग वापरून तुमची स्वतःची वाक्ये बनवा. Answer: A. Supreme sacrifice. Sentence: Our soldiers made the supreme sacrifice of laying down their lives for our country. B. Beautiful faces. Sentence: Their beautiful faces lit up when the teacher announced a holiday. C. Extremist militia. Answer: Extremist militia is an active force found in Sudan. D. Great challenges. Sentence: population is one of the great challenges that continue to afflict our country in the present century. E. Rapid globalization. Sentence: in modern technologies, rapid globalization is very useful to us. And yep, intergovernmental agencies. Sentence: intergovernmental agencies play important role in the process of development. Next question. Question number 6. Choose the correct option and write in front of the given word. खाली दिलेल्या पर्यायातील योग्य पर्याय निवडा आणि दिलेल्या शब्दासमोर लिहा. A. Divinity. Option 1. Goodness. 2. Godliness. 3. God fearing. Answer: godliness. B. Extremist. Option 1. Militant. 2. Robber. 3. Spy. Answer: militant. C. Culminate. Option 1. Destroy. 2. Succeed. 3. Rise to a peak. Answer: rise to a peak. Next question. Question number 7. A. What will you do in the following situations? खालील परिस्थितीमध्ये तुम्ही काय कराल? A. If you see a child working in a restaurant. जर एखादे मूल तुम्हाला हॉटेलमध्ये काम करताना दिसल्यास तुम्ही काय कराल? Answer: I will immediately call the child helpline or contact a local NGO that works for children. 2. If you find a child working on a construction site. जर एखादे मूल तुम्हाला बांधकाम साइटवरती काम करताना दिसल्यास तुम्ही काय कराल? Answer: I will convince his parents to send him school. Also, I will contact local NGO. Next question. Question 3. If you find a child working on a brickwork site. जर एखादे मूल तुम्हाला वीटभट्टीवरती काम करत असलेले दिसल्यास तुम्ही काय कराल? Answer: I will file a complaint against the owner. I will tell his parents to send him to a school nearby. Question D. If you come across a beggar child. जर तुम्हाला एखादे मूल भीक मागताना दिसल्यास तुम्ही काय कराल? Answer: I will tell the child it is not good to beg. I will also tell him the importance of schooling and help him to go to school. Next question. Question B. Write any two efforts that you can make to enroll deprived children or out of school children into a school. One is given for you. शाळेपासून वंचित मुलांना किंवा शाळाबाह्य मुलांना शाळेत दाखल करण्यासाठी तुम्ही काय करू शकता असे कोणतेही 2 प्रयत्न लिहा. Answer: A. I will pursue parents of such children to send them to school. B. I will pursue my parents, friends and relatives and ask them to help such children. C. I will contact an NGO working in the field of education and ask for their help. D. I will run awareness programs and raise funds for such children. Next question. Question number 8. Today it is time for every child to have a right to. आज प्रत्येक मुलाला कोणते अधिकार मिळण्याची वेळ आलेली आहे? Answer: Education, freedom, health, safety, dignity, equality and peace. Next question. Question number 9. Make a list of Indian Nobel laureates. भारतातील नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेत्यांची यादी बनवा. Answer A. रवींद्रनाथ टागोर, B. C.V. रमन, C. मदर टेरेसा, D. सुब्रमण्यम चंद्रशेखर, E. अमर्त्य सेन and F. कैलाश सत्यार्थी. Next question. Question number 10. Make a list of prestigious awards in India. भारतातील प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कारांची यादी बनवा. 1. सिव्हिलियन अवॉर्ड्स म्हणजे नागरी पुरस्कार. Answer 1. भारत रत्न, 2. पद्म विभूषण, 3. पद्म भूषण and 4. पद्मश्री. नेक्स्ट. हायेस्ट गॅलंट्री अवॉर्ड्स म्हणजे सर्वोच्च शौर्य पुरस्कार. 1. परमवीर चक्र, 2. महावीर चक्र, 3. वीर चक्र and 4. अशोक चक्र. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. मेक मीनिंगफुल सेंटेन्सेस बाय यूजिंग फॉलोइंग फ्रेजेस. खाली दिलेले वाक्यप्रचार वापरून अर्थपूर्ण वाक्ये बनवा. ए. इन परस्यूट ऑफ म्हणजे च्या शोधात. Answer मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम इन द परस्यूट ऑफ वेल्थ अँड फेम. बी. टू बी अफ्रेड ऑफ म्हणजे ची भीती असणे. Answer डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ आस्किंग क्वेश्चन्स. सी. टू गिव्ह अप म्हणजे सोडून देणे. Answer his wife finally persuaded him to give up his bad habits. Next question. Question number 12. Write minimum 5 hidden words of more than 4 letters from intergovernmental. मित्रांनो, intergovernmental या शब्दामध्ये लपलेले कमीत कमी 4 अक्षरी 5 शब्द शोधून लिहा. Answer 1. इंटर, 2. गव्हर्नमेंट, 3. मेंटल, 4. गव्हर्न and 5. इंटरनल. Next question. Question number 13. Imagine your school invites Malala to preside over celebration of Children's Day. तुमच्या शाळेमध्ये बालदिन साजरा करण्यासाठी मलाला हिला अध्यक्ष म्हणून निमंत्रित केले आहे अशी कल्पना करा. ड्राफ्ट अ वेलकम स्पीच फॉर दिस नोबल यंग गर्ल. आणि या तरुण बाणेदार मुलीचे स्वागत करणारे भाषण तयार करा. गॅदर हर बायोडाटा फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. आणि इंटरनेटवरून तिची वैयक्तिक माहिती गोळा करा. Answer Children's Day celebration. Honorable Chief Guest, respected headmaster, teachers, our today's guest, Malala Didi, and my dear friends, we have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day in our school. This day is celebrated in India on 14th November on the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The celebration of this day reminds us to renew our commitment towards children's welfare, including their health, care, and education. It is an occasion to appreciate the qualities of childhood. Children are considered as the building blocks of the strong nation. The development of the country lies in their hand. Children's Day celebration also reminds us about their rights. Today, our chief guest, Miss Malala Yousafzai, has presided over Children's Day celebration with beloved children. She was born on July 12, 1997 as the eldest child of Ziauddin Yousafzai and Torpekai Yousafzai. Her family ran a chain of schools. She is the youngest ever person to be awarded the Nobel Prize when she won in 2014, joined with the Indian activist Kailash Satyarthi. She works for the right to education of women and children. We are really proud of her. On this auspicious day, if we take inspiration from her, no child will be abused, no girl will be molested. She is a great source of inspiration, and so she is here with us. We are eager to hear her valuable thoughts and advice. So I think I would better stop here. Wish you all happy Children's Day. Thanks a lot for listening to me patiently and attentively. Jai Hind. Next question. Question number 14. Use the same word as a noun and a verb to make meaningful sentences. मित्रांनो, खाली दिलेले शब्द नाम व क्रियापद या दोन्ही अर्थाने वापरून अर्थपूर्ण वाक्ये बनवा. Words march, honor, credit and stitch. 1. March. The farmers began their march to protest against injustice. Noun. The soldiers were ordered to march to the battlefield. Verb. 2. Honor. Answer. A dinner was arranged in his honor. Noun. The actor was honored with Padma Shri. Verb. 3. Credit. Answer. The bank refused to extend their credit. Noun. He has been wrongly credited as the author. Verb. 4. Stitch. The wound needed 8 stitches. Noun. The tailor was asked to stitch the cloth quickly. Verb. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 10वी इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट नंबर 3.4 लेट्स मार्च या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.